How to add USDT to Phantom Wallet. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can add USDT to Phantom Wallet. So make sure you watch the video carefully so that you don't miss any of the steps in this process. So in order to add USDT in your Phantom Wallet, the first thing that you need to do is you need to simply launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application, and then you just have to log in into your account. Now, once you've successfully logged in, on the home page, you will be able to see Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Polygon. Here, if you scroll down a bit, you will be able to see the option that says Manage Token List. If you tap on it and in the search bar, if you search for USDT, unfortunately, you will not be able to find USDT toggle over here. It is because currently, if you don't have USDT in your account, then you will not be able to see it on the home page and even in this Manage Token List. But if you have USDT in your account, then you will be able to easily turn the toggle button on right next to USDT and you will be able to find it on the home page. So basically, in order to add USDT on the Phantom Wallet, you need to simply receive USDT in your Phantom Wallet account. For that, you just have to tap on the receive button on the top, and here you will be able to see Solana, Ethereum, Polygon, and Bitcoin networks. So you just have to select any of the networks that you want to use in order to receive USDT. After that, with the help of any other exchanges or wallets, you just have to send USDT in your Phantom Wallet, and then you will be able to see it on the home page. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.